Hello and welcome, hotel guests. I'm Stacy, your Disney hotel lady, and today we are taking a look at the SunCoast Park Hotel by Hilton near Disneyland. Stick around until the end for a secret about this hotel. And this video is extra special because not only will you see the room I stayed in, but you will see two other room types offered here. So please go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. And we'll take it away off into the garage, which is kind of hidden away. They do have a surface level parking lot. But if you will be there for multiple days, it's, California summer with the heat, you want to hide your car away in the shade, there is a garage underneath the hotel. Going on into the lobby now, there is a smell in this lobby that is just so nice. It reminds me of, like, if you've been to Disney World, you know that every Disney hotel at Disney World has a smell in the lobby. Here reminds me of that. It's just so great. There's an amazing Southern California beachy coastal vibe at this hotel. The decor blends in with that so amazingly. There's a little business center down here, this little library area you saw previously. There's a bar and restaurant and a 24-hour gift shop here with one of those little robots that will bring stuff to your room. I love the little robots. The only other hotel that I have seen the little robot at in the Disneyland area is Hotel Lulu. And SunCoast Park here has one as well. If you have the chance, it's just, and you have little kids, it's just so much fun getting a robot to deliver, a juice or, some chips or towels or something to your room. Your kids will love it. It's the cutest. Plenty of options here in the gift shop, sampling of souvenirs, some breakfast and lunch and snack items, of course, and a little gym located down the hall on the main lobby floor. It's got everything you need. It's very clean. Also on the main lobby floor, a little laundry room if you are staying a while or if you have some spills and messes you need to clean up real quick. This is a credit only, and you download an app and you can operate the washer and dryer. This pool is absolutely gorgeous. It's huge for one, and it's infinity. So it's great. And the VW bus, isn't that cute? And they've got games, barbecues, seating, so you can, throw some hot dogs on the grill. Enjoy that Southern California weather. See what I mean? This pool is absolutely gorgeous. Look at that color and that. I love the infinity sliding right out. So seamless. Even the duck is enjoying it. Little hot tub over here. Again, I just want to emphasize how clean everything was here. I was really impressed with the cleanliness here. They are a good neighbor hotel. I don't know their score, but being a good neighbor hotel means they are rigorously tested, surprise tested for cleanliness. So this is the room that I actually stayed in. This The technical name for this room type is a one king studio family suite, sofa, bed, and trundle. That is the type of room that my husband and I stayed in. As you can see, it was very, very spacious. A living area and a sleeping area. A small coffee maker there, but there is a microwave and a fridge. So that's always a plus. I would have liked a tiny bit bigger of a fridge, but it works. This hotel, I don't know if it was just the time I stayed, because I know this is highly dependent upon occupancy and who your neighbors and other guests are, but we found this hotel to be very, very quiet. Bathroom in the middle, separating the living area from the sleeping area. Little safe in the bathroom instead of outside the bathroom. I thought that was a little odd, but whatever. I'm not usually using the safe, so I don't really care. Plenty of space in the dresser, but the closet was a little small. The bed and the pillows were amazing, so comfy. And there's that sofa bed and trundle. A trundle is that pull out at the bottom underneath. I don't even know if that could really be a sofa. It looks just like a single bed to me. Why? And here we're going into the second room type that I was able to come back a few months later and tour. This is called the King Sofa Bed Studio Suite. So this is actually the room that I stayed in, except for there was a daybed and a trundle in my room type, which, sorry, it just went from me. I don't know what I'm saying, but that's the only difference here. We've got the king bed and the living area with the microwave and fridge. So there you go. All right, here's the SunCoast double queen room. Let's see how it's different. Well, first off, no living area, but the bathroom is pretty much the same. So you walk into no living area, closets behind the door there, same bench with mirror, hello, same coffee maker, same microwave, same fridge, same dresser, and 2 queen beds. So very similar, just a little less space in here than in the king because of having no living room. So thanks to my friends at Getaway Today for helping me get that extra footage for you. When you book with my partner Getaway Today at the SunCoast Park Hotel, you also get free breakfast and free parking. They also offer 4th night free when you book 4 or more nights, obviously. So check out my partner Getaway Today. And my little secret about the SunCoast Park, I'm posting this video in April 2026. Later this fall, I will be crowning the SunCoast Park Hotel as my Hidden Gem Hotel of the Year. Other winners of that include the Knott's Hotel and the Viv. So that tells you how good of an opinion I have about the SunCoast Park Hotel. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay comfy, hotel guests.